Well, 28 million children between the ages of 5 and 11 may soon be eligible for the COVID-19 vaccine as soon as the coming week. The FDA's Vaccine Advisory Board is meeting tomorrow to consider authorizing the Pfizer vaccine for younger kids. CNN's Nadia Romero has the details.
Just how soon could kids ages 5 to 11 get a COVID-19 vaccine? On the current timeline, it could be as soon as November. But first, the FDA and CDC must sign off. Tuesday, an FDA advisory committee is scheduled to meet to discuss whether to recommend authorization for the Pfizer vaccine for kids 5 to 11.
It's going to protect them. Obviously, it's also going to add population immunity to our broader population, will help bring infection numbers down. It is going to be one more important step towards getting to the end of this pandemic.
Kids make up about a quarter of all COVID cases in the U.S. Nationwide data shows COVID cases, hospitalizations, and deaths all declining. Health experts point to the vaccine.
If we add children to that mix, we can get our numbers way higher up and hopefully prevent any more variants from coming.
But Pfizer officials will not only have to convince FDA vaccine advisors for emergency use authorization. Ultimately, it's up to parents of kids ages 5 to 11 to allow them to get the vaccine. A recent Kaiser Family Foundation survey in September found about a third of parents in that age range say they would take a wait-and-see approach, and another third of parents say they'd let their kids get the vaccine right away.
Talk to your pediatrician if you have questions, but we know that 6 million kids have had COVID, over 1 million in the last 6 weeks. They can get it, they can spread it.
So if the FDA and CDC authorize the vaccine, kids ages 5 to 11 could potentially be fully vaccinated by the winter holidays. Well, happening today, the Marion County Public Health Department is partnering with Bozma Enterprises to offer a COVID-19 vaccine clinic. This clinic is closed to the public and in an effort to help get employees and their families protected for the coronavirus. But there are weekly clinics that anyone can attend, including Tuesdays and Thursdays. And that is from 10 to 2, and then Wednesdays from 10 until 4. And now to a look at where Indiana stands in the battle against COVID-19. We know another 1,800 Hoosiers tested positive. 22 have died. And since the start of this pandemic, there have been more than 1 million cases and more than 15,000 deaths. We'll get another update around 5 o'clock today.